Good morning, children. In Geography Standard 8, Chapter 5. Today we will see the next topic, information technology. We have seen the three major industries. First, iron, steel, Tisco company, Jamshedpur. Second, we will have seen already in the previous class, cotton textile industry in Ahmedabad and Osaka. Osaka in Japan, Ahmedabad in India. And today we see the next topic, information technology. Very, very important. IT. इसको हम कहते हैं IT. Imagine how much could be if companies could operate on a 24-hour workday. Some software companies in the United States of America and in Bangalore in India के अंदर बैंगलोर में है ये जो 24 आवर्स वर्क डे होता है वहां पर ऑपरेट होती है. Join hands to achieve this. There are many ways in which this form of shift work across oceans. इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी से क्या होता है कि जो डिफरेंट कंट्री के जो होते हैं वो साथ में मिलकर बैठे, जैसे बैंगलोर इंडिया की है और यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स की सेवरल कंपनी से वो achieve this. There are many ways in which this form of shift work across the oceans. For example, two software professionals, Dane in Silicon Valley and California and Simtha in Bangalore are working on a joint project. दो अलग अलग कंट्री के एक जॉइंट प्रोजेक्ट पे काम कर सकते हैं ऐसे. while Smitha Bangalore are working while Smitha in Bangalore sleeps, Danny in California is working. At the end of his workday, he sends a message to the Smitha updating his progress. When she arrives at work in Bangalore a couple of hours later, she notices that a message awaits her. She gets to the work on the project straight away. By the end of her workday, she relays the results of her efforts back to the California. By the way, they communicate and work together. ये सब कैसे पॉसिबल होता है? by information technology. It is as if they were sitting in adjoining offices. यह एक व्यू बताया है, व्यू ऑफ एन IT इंडस्ट्री. यहाँ पर बेस्ट क्वालिटी computers and have mobile phone in your hand. The information technology industry deals in the storage, processing, distribution of information. Today, this industry has become a global. This is due to the series of the technological, political, and socioeconomic events. The main factors guiding the location of these industries are resource availability, cost, and infrastructure. The major hubs of the IT industry are the Silicon Valley, California, and Bangalore in India. Bangalore has some important public sector industries and research industries. Bangalore is located on the Deccan Plateau, from where it gets the name Silicon Plateau. The city is known for its mild climate throughout the year. Silicon Valley is a part of the Santa Clara Valley, located next to the Rocky Mountains of North America. The area has a temperate climate with the temperatures rarely dropping below 0 degree centigrade. The locational advantages of the Silicon Plateau. Bangalore and Silicon Valley, California are discussed on the next page. We may notice the similarities between the two cities. There are other emerging information technology hubs in the metropolitan centers of India, such as Mumbai. New Delhi, Hyderabad, and Chennai. Other cities such as Gurgaon, Pune, Thiruvananthapuram, Kochi, and Chhattisgarh are also important centers of the IT industry. However, Bangalore has always had a unique advantage as a city with the highest availability of middle and top management talent. Here, the figure 5.12, we see the locational advantages of Silicon Plateau, Bangalore. Here, the Bangalore has the largest number of educational institutions and IT colleges in India. The Bangalore has the largest number of educational institutions and IT colleges in India. The city was considered dust-free and the low rents and the low cost of living. Here, Bangalore is also a city was considered dust-free and the low rents and low cost of living. The state government of Karnataka was the first to announce an IT policy in 1993. The city has the largest and widest availability of skilled managers with work experience. Locational advantages of Silicon Plateau, Bangalore. Here the another 5.13 locational advantages of Silicon Valley, California. तो कैलिफोर्निया के कैसे factors locational advantages है? The close to some of the most advanced scientific and the technological centers in the world. कहते हैं ये जो सिलिकॉन प्लेटा सॉरी बैंगलोर का था, सिलिकॉन वैली कैलिफोर्निया के लोकेशनल एडवांटेजेस का है, एक क्लोज है to the some of the most advanced scientific and technological centers in the world. The pleasant climate है with an attractive and a clean environment, plenty of space for development and a future expansion. Located close to the major roads and airports. ये जो मेजर रोड्स एंड एयरपोर्ट्स का वहाँ क्लोजली है, यहाँ प्लेजेंट क्लाइमेट है और मोस्ट एडवांस साइंटिफिक एंड टेक्नोलॉजिकल सेंटर्स के वहाँ पर क्लोज है. क्या? तो सिलिकॉन वैली कैलिफोर्निया की जो है वो. यहाँ गुड एक्सेस टू द मार्केट्स एंड स्किल्ड वर्क फोर्स. ये सारे लोकेशन एडवांटेजेस है कैलिफोर्निया के सिलिकॉन वैली के. और यहाँ पर हमने जो देखे वो बैंगलोर के सिलिकॉन प्लेटा. यहाँ एक इंफॉर्मेशन है, वाई डू टेक्नोलॉजी हाई टेक्नोलॉजी इंडस्ट्रीज ग्रुप टुगेदर. जो हाई टेक्नोलॉजी इंडस्ट्री है होते हैं क्यों ग्रुप में वर्क करते हैं? क्योंकि दे कैन बी लोकेटेड नियर मेन रोड हाईवेज फॉर इजी एक्सेस. फर्म्स कैन बेनिफिट फ्रॉम द एक्सचेंज ऑफ नॉलेज. और जो नॉलेज एक दूसरे जैसे सिलिकॉन वैली और सिलिकॉन प्लेटा दोनों कैलिफोर्निया और बैंगलोर के, तो वो उनका जो हो है वो क्या होता है, एक्सचेंज ऑफ नॉलेज की वजह से उनकी जो फर्म्स है, उनके जो एंटरप्रेन्योर है उनको बेनिफिट्स मिलते हैं, सर्व इंडस्ट्री को बेनिफिट मिलता है और नियरली लोकेटेड है हाईवे के वहाँ से. सर्विसेज एंड फैसिलिटीज सच एज रोड्स, कार पार्क एंड वेस्ट डिस्पोजल कैन बी ऑर्गेनाइज एफिशिएंटली. ये सब अच्छा होता है वहाँ पर. लास्ट में दिखा है कि बीइंग अ बैंगलोर मीन्स टू lose one's job to someone in the city of Bangalore. A few years ago, many IT jobs in the USA were outsourced to countries like India where equally skilled labor was available at lower salaries. With this, we have complete our chapter 5 industries. After that, we will see the exercises. In the exercises, answer the following question, tick the correct answer, distinguish between the following, and give 2 examples of the following in the space provided. So first, we will see in the tick the correct answer. Silicon Valley. Hope you could at home find out the answer. Silicon Valley is located in. सिलिकॉन वैली कहाँ लोकेटेड है? बैंगलोर में है, कैलिफोर्निया में है कि अहमदाबाद में है? यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द क्वेश्चन. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इंडस्ट्रीज इज नोन एज द सनराइज इंडस्ट्री? यस, इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ नेचुरल फाइबर जूट? तो यू कैन फाइंड आउट आंसर. सिलिकॉन वैली इज लोकेटेड इन बैंगलोर. कैलिफोर्निया में सिलिकॉन प्लेटा हुए, बैंगलोर में सिलिकॉन. आफ्टर दैट डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन दो है हमको. गिव 2 एग्जाम्पल्स. आपको 2 एग्जाम्पल लिखने हैं. रॉ मटेरियल्स कौन से 2 है, एंड प्रोडक्ट्स मतलब फिनिश प्रोडक्ट कौन से 2 होते हैं. टर्शियरी एक्टिविटीज एग्रोबेस इंडस्ट्री. दे मे बी आस्क्ड फॉर give the 2 examples of raw materials of end product, tertiary activities, agro-based industries, cotton industries, and cooperatives. So this we will you find out all the exercises and write down in your notebook the chapter 5 exercises. and practice for MAPE, major cotton textile centers, major iron steel industry centers, and with this we will complete our chapter. Thank you very much.